Look what just came in the mail. This is the brand new Microsoft Surface Studio 2, and this thing is incredible. I had the first version, some of you guys may have seen that unboxing, and I've absolutely loved it. I've gamed, I've done design work on it, I've edited videos on it. This model that we're about to unbox has the 7th gen Core i7 processor, 1 terabyte solid state drive, and 32 gigs of RAM. So let's slice and dice this up. This knife is so sharp, it's always so shocking. Are you ready? It's got a little illustration here that shows me that I should probably lay it down, so I'm not doing it properly. Oh my gosh. This thing is so cool. Let's get you out of here, buddy. Let's free you from this prison that they have put you in. Your styrofoam prison. That reminds me of the song. They're trying to build a prison. Does the system move it down? Does this move it down? Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm so weak. It's actually not that heavy, but it's so awkward to try to hold it.
You're awkward to try to hold.
That's what she said. Okay, now that we got that out, we'll get to you in a second. Let's see what else we've got in here.
Well, don't shake it.
Oh, sorry, I don't know, I got excited. It's like Christmas morning whenever you're like going underneath the Christmas tree. What presents did I get? I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, we've got the power cable. I would have never guessed. We've got, oops, ripped it. Oh, look at that nice glossy finish. I wanted to smell the paper and I gave myself a paper cut. Here's probably the keyboard and the mouse. Oh, and our stylus. Don't touch my stylus. We're like 5 if you get the joke. Don't touch my stylus. What a great sound. Can you hear that? Should I just do a whole ASMR channel? Okay.
I won't subscribe to that.
Okay, you won't, but someone would, I'm sure. We've got the keyboard. Oh, wow! It just popped right out.
It comes with batteries.
Yeah, right? Oh, that's nice because it's just like magnetic. I love Surface products. Like Microsoft really has done such a great job with these. Pull to activate. I can't hold on to things. I have a problem. So that's everything that's in the box. What a great sound. So in the back here, we've got 4 USB 3 ports. We have an Ethernet port. We've got a nice Thunderbolt port. Oh, we've got a nice USB-C port and an SD card slot and a headphone jack. What is that song?
You can plug it in. I almost stabbed myself. This almost got me.
They're trying to build a prison. What is that song? Play Prison Song. It is System of a Down.
Now playing Every Rose Has Its Thorn.
What? No! Absolutely not. Play Prison Song.
Every Rose Has Its Thorn by Poison now playing.
No! Play Prison Song by System of a Down.
Now playing Prison Song by System of a Down.
Trying to build a prison. Dun, 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 dun. I'm okay. I love System of a Down. Hey Siri, stop playing before I get a copyright strike. She doesn't care about my copyright strike. Stop playing. All right, let's plug this in.
I love your decorations.
I love what you've done with the place.
I love what you've done. Wait. The tiny hat.
See? Oh.
I got that out.
You guys, you come for the unboxing and you stay for the tiny hat.
What about the pig that has boots on?
The pig has boots on and the dog's collar. Don't even ask questions. It's like,
I'm not, because I did all that, but
it's fine.
I get it. Okay.
Ow! The sheath was not on. Okay.
What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna turn it on. What's happening? I can't see anything. Is something happening?
It's a nice screen.
It's honestly so incredible.
Hi there.
Hey,
I'm
oh.
Cortana. and I'm here to help.
She wants to help me.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
I have the same reactions every time I go to the setup screen.
You just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Little microphone.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Okay, well I'm gonna set this up and then I'll see you guys in a second.
Enough intro. Let's dig in.
Here it is. Studio unboxing. May 2nd, 2017.
Hey, today we're doing an unboxing.
Are we doing an unboxing or what are we doing? I just love that this is touchscreen. Like this is so great.
Playlist. Here it is.
I made the same joke.
A full.
We're still wearing the same sweater again.
Number pad. Yeah, we've got.
I was so worried that I was gonna wear the same thing. I should have checked. I wonder if I made any of the other same jokes.
This thing is huge.
I think I said, oh yeah. Get this stylus poppin'. Does this come with a Surface Dial? I think we decided the last time it does not come with a Surface Dial. So I've been working really hard on this illustration and I just am so excited that today I get to show it to you. So I have a secret talent of drawing cars, but I don't like to finish them entirely. I just like finish it a little bit. So this is my drawing. This is, I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna finish this up. Color this in real nice. Like, look at that, wow. This is so incredible. I'm graffitiing all over this. Oh, that's changing colors. This is where kind of the dial would be really cool. It's because you can use the dial to just sort through colors and different brushes. So talented. Should I print this out? You guys want this? You want my art? How do I make a new document? This is my document. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so, oops. Oh my gosh, I closed the book. Okay, let me open up my sketchbook. So I would like for you guys to subscribe.
You spelled it wrong.
Did I really?
No.
Oh my gosh. There's no spell check on writing. All right, well that's that. I'm looking forward to checking this out a little bit more. I do want to do a Fortnite test, of course. That's how I usually always test out everything is, will it handle Fortnite okay? And I'm sure it will, because I played Overwatch on my last studio. Oh, also, by the way, when you flip it around, it's an eraser. I have not written in cursive in so long. It feels weird.
His subscribe.
Oh, it's like a please, like please.
His.
Be nice to me.
His subscribe. His be nice to me.
Well, let me know what you guys think of this. I'm such a huge fan of all the Surface stuff. I really love the studio line. If any of you guys have ever used this, or if you have one, I would love to hear from you. Leave me some comments below and let me know what you think. And what should I try out next?
His subscribe.
Please subscribe. Okay, bye. Like, I'm so talented. Ow!